and welcome back to my channel. This video I'm going to show you how I made a basic bag that you can use for cosplay or everyday use. I used my cell phone to make a pattern, and this pattern consists of 7 pieces: a front, a back, a bottom, 2 sides, a top, and then a loop for a belt. I first traced my pattern onto some faux leather and then I cut it out. Next, I went ahead and I clipped together the bottom and the 2 sides together, and then I went ahead and sewed them with a straight stitch. The next thing I did is I took the piece that will be the belt loop and I stitched it with a zigzag stitch on the back of the back piece. And I made sure I went over it a couple times because this will have a lot of wear and tear on it. And I only stitched down one side. Next, I went ahead and I stitched the sides and the bottom to the front piece. This can get a little tricky when you get to the corner of the the bottom and the side piece together. You want to leave your needle inside the fabric, lift up the presser foot, and turn your front piece to match the bottom piece. Once I had the front piece on, I went ahead and did exactly the same thing to the back piece. And it's time to turn the bag right side out. You can stop here, or like I did, I went ahead and I turned it back inside out and I stitched darts on either side of the side pieces. And the sewing of the bag is done. For the flap that goes to the top of it, I wanted it a little smaller and curved, so I folded it together and I went ahead and I cut it off. Since this is faux leather, it does not need to be hemmed. For my closures and my belt loop closure, I went ahead and I used snaps. Here I'm just marking the placement of where I want them, and then I just use a snap tool and a hammer and inserted those in. And here's the finished basic bag. I plan on using mine for my cell phone, but this pattern could be altered to pretty much anything you want. If you would like the pattern, I will have it uploaded to my website and the link will be in the description below.